AMD cooking Ryzen 5 9600 X3D 3D cache CPU for the mainstream gamers, and in addition to that 9800 X3D, 9900 X3D and 9950 X3D. AMD's 3D cache Ryzen CPUs are some of the most sought after chips for gamers. They offer tremendous value, performance and efficiency in games, and that's one reason why DIY audience are flocking to buy them across the world. And for its upcoming generation of 3D cache CPUs, it looks like the company has 4 chips in the work, which will include the Ryzen 5 9600 X3D as the entry level option. And if we talk about the other models, the latest rumors and reports come from the Huang and Pu at X, who says that AMD already has planned to launch a Ryzen 5 SKU, namely the Ryzen 5 9600 X3D, and within its 3D cache lineup, which will also consist high-end SKUs such as Ryzen 7 and Ryzen 9 series. The Ryzen 5 9600 X3D will be direct follow-up to the Ryzen 5 7600 X3D, which has been launched recently but is limited to certain major retailers in different regions, and it's exclusive to Micro Center in US and manufactured in Germany and GD in China. The chip costs around $300, so we can expect a similar price point for the Ryzen 5 9600 X3D at launch. Now that AMD launched the Ryzen 5 5600 X3D a while back, which was kept as a Micro Center only chip, and in our testing we found out it to be a really good solution for entry level audience at the $200 price point. Surely the M5 platform is a bit more costly, but entry level chip with the strong game performance can bring a lot more DIY users to the new platform, which also carry on support for the future generation of Ryzen 3D cache chips. As for the rest of the chips, AMD also has the Ryzen 7 9800 X3D in the work, which is the 8 core part, and like the 9600 X3D will feature a single CCD with a singular 3D cache stack. The Ryzen 9 chip, mainly the 9950 X3D and 9900 X3D, will carry dual CCDs, which one stack on each CCD, but the Ryzen 9 9900 XT should perform similarly to the 9600 X3D. It's a 6-core CCD stack, with the 9950 X3D will feature a 8-core 3D cache single stack. And AMD is recently held an event in China co-organized by the Gigabyte, where the company talked about the performance launch schedule for its upcoming Ryzen 9000 X3D CPUs. The Ryzen 9800 X3D is going to be the first chip in the latest Gen 3D cache stack, which will be announced in the late October launch, and it will take place early in November, while the rest of the lineup is going to introduce early next year. So we can probably expect an announcement during CES 2025. And these are some of the Granite Ridge Ryzen 9000 lineup. As we can see here, the 9950 X3D with a big question mark. Zen 5, will they launch it or not? 9900 X3D, 9800 X3D, and but with the question marks. So let's see whether they are planning to launch it or not in the first place, or whether these processors will be launched in the coming CES 2025.